Why is my skin turning black or green when I put jewelry on? This is an episode you don't want to miss because I'm gonna be breaking down 3 reasons why your skin is turning black or green when you're putting jewelry on, and it's not because your jeweler sold you cheap gold. And I'm also gonna be giving you 3 solutions to fix it. So make sure you watch this video all the way through. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow me on Instagram at @ByBonnieJewelry. Okay, so let's jump into it. For sure, at least once in your life, you put on jewelry before, whether it's a ring or earring or a necklace, and all of a sudden you're like, why is my skin turning black or green? Reason number 1, which is chemical reaction or oxidation. So this one's pretty common. So I used to go to the nail salon and I would have a 14 karat yellow gold anklet on, and every time after the pedicure, the whole ankle area just turns green. And I'm like, geez, what's wrong with it? Is this cheap gold? That's your first reaction, right? Cheap gold. So it is not. It is actually a chemical reaction from either the lotion or the perfume, or even the chemicals that can be inside a ring box reacting to the metal itself. So it can be anything. Usually it's the alloy that is reacting with it. So this is definitely a very common thing. So if you're using a certain type of lotion that's causing this, or your ring could be kept in moisture inside a box for a very long time, that can also cause your skin to turn black or green when you're wearing it. Reason number 2, iron deficiency or pH balance is off. So you might be asking, what, Bonnie? What are you talking about? So this is actually very interesting because sometimes when your body is very acidic, your skin is very acidic, it actually can react to the jewelry that you're wearing. And sometimes if you have low iron, that can also cause your skin to turn black or green when you're wearing jewelry. Also, a certain type of medication that you're on can definitely cause this as well. Sometimes a certain type of antibiotic or a list of different medication that could react with your jewelry. Reason number 3 is hormone levels or potential allergy to metal alloys. 14 karat is 58.5% pure gold and the rest alloy. 18 karat is 75% gold, and then the rest are alloy that are mixed into the gold to make it more durable for wear. And another thing that is really interesting is hormonal changes to your body that can also affect this. So if you're on your period, if you're experiencing menopause, or even if you are potentially on a fertility journey and you're taking different types of hormone pills and medication, all of those things can contribute to potentially why your jewelry is making your skin turn black or green. This can easily happen on your ear but not your neck, and on your hand and not your ear. So here are the 3 solutions to help you combat it. So for example, if you're putting your ring away in a box for a long time, that moisture that is kept inside the box could react to the jewelry and have oxidation and turn it into green or black. That's possible. So for example, like me, every time I go to that salon and I wear that anklet, the type of lotion that they're using is turning my skin black or green. So for sure, I'm gonna avoid wearing that anklet when I'm going there. They're using that type of lotion, right? So this is something that you can do maybe to change your cosmetic that could help. Solution number 2, I've heard that you can apply a clear coat of nail polish on the inside of your ring. That can avoid the direct contact between your skin and the metal, and that might help lessen the reaction that you're having with your jewelry. Solution number 3, which could change or save your life, is check with your doctor. So earlier I mentioned that low iron in your body can actually cause this, right? So different types of acidity in your skin or certain type of medication that you're taking that is doing this. This could be an indication that something is going on. It could be hormone changes too. So check with your doctor, go down a list, and if you have tried every single thing on this list and it's not working, I guess you have to try wearing a different type of jewelry, or maybe change it to platinum or a different, maybe white gold or rose gold altogether. I don't have the solution to everything, but I hope that this video was helpful to you in explaining why your skin is changing color when you're wearing jewelry. If there's any type of solution that you found helpful, please leave them in the comments below and share it with our viewers. We love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you're subscribed and follow me on Instagram at ByBonnieJewelry, and I'll see you in my next episode. Bye!